Make a website with iweb. iWeb will make it a lot easier for you to create a website with your Mac computer, especially if you are not that savvy with HTML, because iWeb is a what you see is what you get WYSIWYG website creation program. Here are the steps on how to make a website with iWeb. Think of a concept to go along with the creation of your website. There are numerous templates provided by iWeb that you can use for your website, but it is much better if you conceptualize ahead. Think of what the content will be. Is it going to be a blog, an online portfolio, or a podcast? Gather the media that are to be used. You might also want to type the details in a word processing program, and designate them all in a folder, along with the pictures' other media content. Pull up iWeb on your Mac so you can start constructing your website. Load up iWeb by clicking on its icon, either in your Applications folder or in the dock. Choose a theme from the Templates pane. Choose the theme from the left-hand side of the screen and then select the template on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you are done selecting them, click Choose. Type in the content of your website. After you choose the theme for your website, you will be directed to the web page canvas. On the right you will see the sidebar where all the pages of your website will appear. You can click and drag on the pages if you want to rearrange them. Just double-click on the placeholders to type in your website's content. You can also change the font style and colors by clicking on the command buttons at the bottom portion of the page. To resize the text boxes, just click on it once and then drag the selection handles to its desired size. You can also drag the text boxes to different parts of the page. Add media content to your page. You can add photos, audio, movies and widgets to your website. To do this, click on Media from the toolbar at the bottom, and then choose the media you will be adding to your page. Locate the content from the media browser, then just click and drag it to the media placeholder. Make sure that you have the correct template and placeholders so you can easily drag and drop the media to its respective placeholder. To add a new page with the correct placeholders for media, click on Add or File, select New Page and choose the template with the media placeholders that you will need. Same with the text boxes. You can resize the media placeholders by clicking on it once and dragging the selection handles. Publish the website you have created. Once you are done with creating your website, you are now ready to publish it on the internet. Publishing your web page online is easy when you have a .Mac account, because you just simply click on the Publish button at the bottom, and then visit your site once it says that it has been published. If you have your own site or domain name, go on to File and then select Set up Personal Domain. Follow the on-screen instructions and make sure to type in the complete URL of your website. Don't be afraid to play around with iWeb. You will be amazed at how quickly you build a website that looks like it was created by a pro. Quick tips: you can drag and drop graphics from your computer, or other programs like iPhoto.